However, as you'll see later in the video, some of those cables turned out to be faulty, which caused unexpected issues. The power supply was easy to install using the included support bracket. The black color actually makes a nice contrast with the rest of the build. Back to the case. It's really well designed, so it's easy to manage and route the cables. Before installing it into the case, I mapped out the necessary connections, ensuring that everything would be routed cleanly. Ones from the top will basically all hide behind the hard drive brackets.